In the soft light of the evening glow, thoughts of you start to flow. A feeling that's hard to let go, like you. That's where it all goes. In the corner of the old cafe, our eyes met in a fleeting way. Your smile, a ray on a cloudy day, it chased the shadows all away. The coffee steam curled up so slow as you spoke words like a gentle show. I hung on to each syllable. Don't you know you've cast a spell that I can't